of what will happen to your loved ones, to your family, to your assets once you are no more? I'm sure you would have. And in today's video, I would be talking about one such important topic, which is estate planning, which is basically a process of determining how your assets, your wealth would be transferred to your loved ones once you are no more. And this concept of estate planning has been there for many years, but recently after COVID-19, where many people lost their loved ones, it has become even more important and critical, and not just in hygiene requirement. Now, this estate planning ensures that after your death, your assets and wealth is properly transferred to your loved ones, to your legal heirs. So it ensures not only the financial well-being, but also ensures that the relationship of your loved ones is kept in a good shape after your death, and there are no conflicts around who will get what. So that's why estate planning becomes even more important. Now, to do estate planning, there are 1 to 3 steps which one needs to do. Number one needs to have a good estimate of what is the wealth and what the assets one has. Then secondly, who all you want to transfer your wealth to, who would be your legal heirs. Thirdly, in which format you want to do the estate planning. Could be a will, could be a trust. And also, if there's a business, is your succession planning in place? So now let's talk about what are different ways one can do estate planning. So one of the most common and efficient ways is to form a will. A will is nothing but a legal document which is prepared by testator to ensure your wealth, your assets are transferred to the beneficiary on your death. And so you have a testator, you have a beneficiary, and then you have an executor in a will who helps in executing the will. And ideally, a will should be registered with the sub-registrar. And in case someone dies without forming a will, it's called intestate. And then in that case, your personal laws come into force for transferring the assets. One could be your Hindu succession law and so on, which can complicate things for the people left behind. Another popular way of doing estate planning is by forming a trust. A trust is basically a fiduciary agreement where the first party or the grantor, it gives the authority of the assets or the wealth to the second party for or on behalf of the beneficiary. And a trust can be revocable as well as irrevocable. A revocable trust is one which can be altered. Apart from these two ways, there's other ways to do estate planning which people do, like forming LLCs through POs and etc. So I hope you found this video interesting, and now know that estate planning is very important, not only for elderly but for everyone, for the financial well-being of the family and loved ones. Thank you.